cover imperfect competition and the elasticities of those demand curves. All downward sloping demand curves, as we've seen, will have an elastic portion, an inelastic portion, and a unit elastic portion. What's good about imperfect competition when it's a non-price discriminator is we can use the marginal revenue curve to identify what's elastic, what's inelastic, what's unit elastic. The definition of elastic is as price goes down, total revenue goes up. And marginal revenue is positive, even if it's decreasing. That means the total revenue is increasing. It's increasing at a decreasing rate, but it's still increasing. Therefore, this part of the demand curve, where the marginal revenue curve is positive, that's elastic. Where marginal revenue is 0, this is unit elastic. That's where revenue is maximized. And unit elastic means price goes up or down, total revenue doesn't change. And if marginal revenue is 0, that means the next total revenue, the next additional revenue is 0, which means there's no change in total revenue. Now, here, my marginal revenue is negative, which means as price goes down, total revenue goes down. This is inelastic. And since in imperfect competition, if I'm maximizing profits, I'm producing where MC equals MR. And since marginal costs can never be negative, can have a negative cost, anywhere where MC equals MR, MR will have to be positive. Therefore, we will go up to the elastic portion of the demand curve. So if in imperfect competition with a downward sloping demand curve, if a firm is profit maximizing, they are producing on the elastic portion of the demand curve.